Hello, look at my broad beans. We've already had 2 pickings and there's at least another 2 to come. So much better than last year when they were a complete failure because of the black fly. I've just been planting runner beans as well. You might say, well, it's a bit late for runner beans, but actually I usually do put them in the first week in July and they normally come up. It's good because they come up a bit later than the French beans and they don't all come in a glut. I've been not so lucky with peas this year. Look, first lot just all went brown like that and I have no idea why. Anyway, I've put lots more in and the later ones are just all starting to come up, so I'm hopeful that they will be okay. Yeah, there's been successes and failures as always. As I said, the broad beans have been fantastic. The borlotti beans are all coming on well. But carrots have been a disaster. I think we've just got 1 carrot, and here it is. Maybe one or 2 more, but the whole row we've seeded them twice and they just haven't come up. I really do not know why. Beetroot are looking good, and as I said, French beans, they'll be coming soon, and as you can see, all in flower. The other thing that's been a bit mixed this year has been lettuces, and it's because of the weather really. The weather's encouraged slugs, and the slugs have made a terrible mess of my lettuces. My solution to the slug problem is to just plant hundreds and hundreds of lettuces. Here's some more. These ones actually not looking too bad. We've probably got many more than we're ever going to be able to eat, but that's the way it is with lettuces, I think. The garlic is all looking good, and potatoes, yeah, the potatoes are all coming on very well. And we've planted this year lots and lots of sunflowers all around the place. They're looking as if they're going to be good eventually, but a bit early for them now. The other thing that's been really good has been gooseberries, and this morning I made gooseberry jam. I might take a photograph and stick it on the blog. Sweet peas, we love sweet peas, and this year they're really doing well. And of course, with all this rain, raspberries. Look at the raspberries, hundreds of them. So I'm gonna have to do a picking today. Raspberries everywhere, raspberries, raspberries, raspberries. And the other one that's been good has been the tayberry. I don't know if I can show it to you, it's right over there. Probably can't see it, but yeah, with lots of tayberries this year, but they never get very sweet tayberries for some reason. In the flower garden, the rose has been wonderful. I think I showed it to you last time, but look at it, lovely. And now we've got a wonderful showing of penstemons. I thought they were more mixed colours last year, but the purple ones seem to have dominated this year. Apple tree, not been very good this year. Only a few apples, I don't know why. Other people's apple trees apparently doing well this year. Yeah, that's it for this week. See you again soon.